Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. Today I have an unboxing for the subscription box for your creative studio. I will have Amanda's shop link in the description box of this video if you wanted to check out her subscription boxes. I'm loving the theme of this one, and I think this one was probably the most challenging part to use, these little ones here, when I first started looking through them. I think there's like an Alice in Wonderland in there. I will show you at the end of the video some quick projects that I made with some of the items. And I'm loving the clips that were sent in this subscription box because they are going to be so useful. And I also love that they're already like grungy looking vintage clips. My favorite so far, I think. I'm just taking everything out and then I'll show you bit by bit because I find the box gets a little restrictive. So here's the third clip, and I think it's just such a perfect idea. Now, she also includes a few items that are exclusive to her subscription box, and this would be one of them. I guess these are the items that she has made for, she actually has, specifically made for her boxes. And I recently noticed on her Instagram that she is starting to sell individual pieces. So I guess check out her shop, as I mentioned, because there might be some additional pieces that you could get there as well. So these are lovely stamps. I didn't quite check this one's if the plastic in the back completely comes off or not, so you can stick it to your acrylic block, because that's a problem that I've been finding. However, if you just sort of put your stamp on your page and then cover it with your acrylic block, it still works the same way. So I find that works as well. I like to keep these little envelopes that she sends things in, so I just, open them carefully. I'm going to show you that washi tape just closer to the end. Those are stickers as well, and I think they're super adorable and so useful. These are vellum sheets, and again, I really love the theme of this box. This is the box for July, and I did get it at the beginning of August. So, or actually just a couple days ago. So that's why I'm showing it to you now. Sticky notes here, which are really nice design as well. And these look like they're, again, exclusive to her subscription box. I really like these stickers as well. Anything botanical and floral I absolutely love, because I think you can just use it in so many ways, right? If you have not seen some of the unboxings before, I will link some of those videos below, because there's always something new in the boxes, and I try to always show you a project of things that I have made with some of the pieces as well, just to give some of you an idea if you do get, the subscription box, or if you get some of these items. Now, this one has 3 different designs in this little notepad, which is really, really nice. I truly, really like the colors and the theme of this one, so it will be really nice to work with. And then these are the additional stamps that came with it, and I like that they're little notes with paper clips, and it's just such a cute little set. So, again, exclusive to her subscription boxes, and you can see the little notes with the pins and the paper clips, etc. So that's super adorable. And then this little sheet, this little package of vintage looking papers, and they're great for collaging and of course journaling, etc. So I really like it, and I love that the texture of the paper is really nice, and then of course the different colors of the paper that they come in. It's always nice to get things that have a different sort of, color to them, because it just gives you a little more variety. So I am really, really happy with this box, and I'm already, thinking of other ways that I'll be using it. But I really, I was inspired to make some really quick projects with it. I'm going to show you that in a couple seconds, that were so kind of fun to put together, because again, her boxes have such a nice cohesive theme, and so it's just easy to work. If you just have these pieces and not much else, you can, you know, get a lot of things done as well. But let me just show you quickly the washi tape, and then I'll show you the project. Okay, so here's just a couple projects that I made with some of the items. So this one was just a super easy one, just decorating this little slit die that is a Tim Holtz die, one of my favorite dies to use, and I just sort of started loading it with little bits and pieces. This would be nice to add to like a journal page, or like even send in snail mail. So as you can see here, I just used 2 pieces from what I received. And then this one here, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I made a little tiny loaded paper bag, as you can see there. So I used one of the notepads. So this one here, I just used one of the pieces, and then you know, some of the washi tape that we got as well, and one of the stickers. I thought it just looked so cute, so just added like a tag there. And then I decided to just make a quick tag, which again is using the sticky note. So I just added the sticky note to it, and then I was using this stamp, which looks really, really cute. You even have like a little paper clip there. So that's just like a little tag. I made this one out of a book page. And then this one, again, it's from the little stack that we got here. I just added some of those things there. And so I added a sticker. I again used the little stamp, as you can see there. And then I just made a full little envelope that, you know, when you open it up, you can write in it. So that's the pieces that I made with this. I think it's such a cute kit. I was thinking this is perfect if you're working on anything that is steampunk, because I think some of the pieces are perfect for that. But anyways, that's just the quick pieces that I made with it. I absolutely love that she included these clips this time, because they'll be very useful, and I really, really like the pieces. So links to everything will be in the description box below. I hope you like this share, and thanks so much for stopping by.